My name is Jasmine Felix. I am the CEO of Women in Solar here in Central Florida. I noticed that there's a lack of women working as installers, and what I want to do is go ahead and provide that ability for women here in Central Florida to come and join our installation team or just to work as an installer anywhere. We decided to go with Powur because of the empowerment and the impact they're bringing to Central Florida on the south side. We saw the impact that they have given California, and we wanted to be involved in it. We are going to Orlando Green Tech to pick up materials, and from there we're going to head to our customer in Deltona, Florida. As a company, I want women in solar to come in and impact our community by providing solar energy to low-income families, residential, because I want families to understand the value of giving to their children and not giving to the electrical companies. So as a Powur installer, the impact that I want to make is pretty much bringing more women into the field. I want to be able to show that we can have the right education on how to become installers and get the job done efficiently. When I see women on the roof, I see myself. I see the fact that, there's a confident woman on there, and not only can they work in construction, but they can go ahead and install solar panels on the roof and show that they can provide that quality work up there. We have men on our team because it's not just about women, it's about men empowering women to work in our installation team. What made us successful is the quality, making sure that we take our time with the roof, make sure we're not rushing, make sure that we get the job done correctly. As a woman in this industry, I've accomplished a lot, and I'm still trying to accomplish more than what I can handle. Being a mother and running a business, this is an amazing opportunity. To anyone who's interested in solar, I would tell them to just join the movement, go ahead and create that impact for our community.